Yes, very good morning, all of you. So, especially for first year students, we are planning different international courses, international certificate during this lockdown period. For the two free of cost, how to get the international course certificate. So, first, directly, I'll guide you to the website. So in your Google Chrome, okay, in the Google search, first everyone, you are supposed to enter just Canvas, Canvas. Okay, this link also I will share you, canvas.net. So today's class is all about how to get the international certificate within half an hour. Actually, that certificate goes for the even 1 month or 2 months number of modules you are supposed to finish. So I'll show you the certificate also at the end of the session, right? So first, let me share you the link of that particular university. So first, you are supposed to, you just see Canvas network, you are able to see. Okay, so you are supposed to go for the login. Let me log out first. I'll show you the login procedure. Yeah. So login, all the students, you are able to see the login here, login credential. So
Yes,
click,
sir.
yes, click on
Yes,
that
sir.
login, click on that login. Okay, just wait for a second. Okay, so enter your email ID and create your own password. Okay, they will ask you for the login details or sign up for the first person. Already I have given my sign up details, so it is by default I have created everything. So now I am going to log in here. So you have to do the sign up, basic your name, email ID, everything. Then your name will be highlighted here. Okay, so now we have to search for the international courses. See, this is not one day company certification. You are going to get from the university, foreign university. Okay, I'll share you the model certificate also. So how to get that one with free of cost is the challenging thing. Okay, so what I'm doing during this pandemic situation, let us go for the load more option. Through the phone also you can do. Okay, this particular thing. Now let us go for the Harvard University. Harvard University, one of the college is nothing but the MBBS we say here. It is a medical school over there. Currently, this course, the people who are doing, see what is the use of this course if you are doing. You can add in your resume when you are attending the interviews in future or for the internships. Okay, you will have the certified international course here. So biomedical research data management. So it all depends on how the people, how many patients are entering the hospital, how many are cured. Everything is online. So this course is the latest trending one, and that too Harvard University is the international one. You can verify through the internet and everywhere. So we are going to go for this particular course first. Okay, let me do this one. So biomedical research data management, this is the course. So you can see already I've done the course before I'm explaining to you. So that's why it is showing you are enrolled. So let me take you to the any new course. Let me share that slide. Now by default I'm taking another course here, leadership development. So you are able to see the red color tab on the screen, which is enroll. That means for you also, when you open the course, it will show you enroll. Click on that enroll, and then that particular university, this university is different. It will ask you to enroll in the course. First you have to give your details. Okay, so what is my target today? I am targeting the Oxford University biomedical data management course. So I am just sharing this particular image here, so on the screen. So after giving the details, just completing the registration with the university. Okay, this particular entering the enroll option, please check your mail. Okay, please check your mail. You will get the mail from the Canvas network. You will get the mail from the Canvas network. Then it will mention you which course you are going for. Research data cycle. The information of all the hospital, whether injections, oxygen cylinders are available or not. Online, we are going to display internationally. That is the greatness of this particular course. Okay. Data management research. Okay. So now we are supposed to click on this one. Okay. After enrolling, you have to check your mail and then click on this one. This is not an easy process, just like one day. Okay. So now you are able to see the home page where you are supposed to do the course. Okay. Course means here you can see home, announcements, assignments. Okay. Exam we have to give. Sir, what is the advantage of listening this session is I will do the assignments for you. I can understand that the data, it takes time for you people every day. So within one day, half an hour, how to complete the course in a shortcut manner, we are going to guide you. So all the students, I hope this particular page is visible. Immediately, don't get confused. Just go for the modules option. Okay, this is our target. So we are supposed to finish different modules. So when you click on the modules option, new interface will be opened. Okay, so now what we are supposed to do? First, get started. Please tell us about yourself. Okay, welcome survey. You are supposed to click on that. Okay, so next, what you are supposed to do? So I've just sharing one particular link after the class. Also, I'll share the link. So what you are supposed to do within short period of time, all your data using the software, I'm going to update to the university. So no need to enter any data here. Okay, so just scroll down, and at last, what you are finding? Anyone tell me what you are finding at last? Next.
Thank you for completing.
No, at the end point here, this next. So what you do, no need to give the details. If you got the time, you can give the answers. You can introduce yourself. Okay. So what I am doing to all the students of our group, Mega and Omega group, already I've updated certain details. So why I'm doing this one, because I don't want to waste your data for morning to evening every day. So only within half an hour. So you just click on this next. Okay. So next, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to listen the introduction by the university professor. Okay. So video will be playing here. Just a second. Yes. So welcome video by the foreign Harvard University professor. I hope you are able to see the video also on the screen. Okay. Right. So what you do, immediately you scroll to the end point, because we are supposed to, we should confirm that we are listening this particular video. Okay. Now you see speaker transcript is nothing but the notes. If you want the notes of that particular introduction, you can download. Then once again, which is the most important tag here, we are supposed to concentrate. Anyone? Where I am scrolling here? Next.
Next.
Yeah, next. Then next, you are supposed to check the next video. Each webinar, each seminar, what professor is explaining, you are supposed to listen. Okay. So this is the next one. Okay. And then at the end, you go with this one. So sir, how it will work? So already I've gone through all the courses here. Therefore, what happens? I'm updating your details to them. So you are following whatever I'm doing. Okay. So that is the advantage. Then next, after course syllabus will be, you can see different professors who are going to teach this particular course online. Okay. So again, go for the next. Okay, it takes 20 hours, right? Course outline, and that too, they keep the exam. Okay, no need to worry at all. Again, go for the next here. So module 1, you are starting the module 1. Video explanation will be generated here first, then again go for the next. See, today is Sunday, and that too, today only we have requested the access for our students. Okay, you must do it by today only. Not, it will never work for tomorrow, the entire thing. Okay, so now you see what is advantage. Already I have updated the answers in the university portal, and I have applied the Mega and Omega group engineering and degree students, especially first year. So whoever are doing with your name and all those things, it will be automatically updated. The answers will be updated. So you can see here, your job is to go for the next. Sir, I want to listen the video and I will give my answers. Yes. If you are having the sufficient time, you can listen the answers. You can give your own answers. You will get your percentage. That is also the method. But very first thing, as today is only we are having the free access. Okay. So let us complete in one day. That is the target. Okay. So you are supposed to go for the next. Module 1 introduction. Again, just click on this one, let it play, come to the end point and check for the next option. Okay, then they'll give you what are the materials you are supposed to study. So module 1, which might take to complete within 2 days. See, current score 2 out of 2 and the kept score 2 out of 2. No need to worry for the score. Okay, even it is showing 0 also, no need to worry. You just go and update this one. Next. So module 1 only we are still all the different professors they are going to explain. You can see the different professor here. So at the end, just go for the click option. Next, I show you the exam questions also will be raised. Okay, video will be buffering if your internet here is slow from your end. So next, case study, everything will be given. You have to do this one. And in what way we are supposed to verify this one. So video management services, module 1. Let me go for the next year. So quiz, concept quiz here. Okay. So now you see quiz also, you just go for the next option. Okay, you can check the score also. So we have done with the module 1. That means we have to give the exam. So you will be getting this one. Don't get confused here. Discussion part, you see on the left side, whenever you get this discussion in the black color, once again, you have to go for the modules. Okay. So now you please check this one. If you have completed with the welcome survey, it will show you submitted. If you have not completed, it will show you to submit. Understood? If you have done, that is a verification. You will get the tick mark and it will show you submitted. Our job is done. So second one, course introduction also. If you have not viewed the video, it will show you the view. Okay. If you have completed the viewing the video, it will show you the viewed one. Okay. So all these things we have done by pressing the next option. I have made it automated for you people, those who are taking today only. Okay. So now next one, introduction, module 1, just now we have gone. So 0 points will be there. No need to worry. I'm going to update later on, though those who are doing today only. So viewed means it is done. Be relaxed. View means we are supposed to do once again. So you can see module 1 is completely done. Case study and concept quiz also we have taken. You can see by default, it will show you the points, right? So after completion of every module, you have to check 9 modules will be there. Okay, then only you'll get the certificate. Module 1, if after listening the classes and giving this online exam, you see this is important. Module 1 badge. If you click on this one, they will give the university badge to you online, to the email also they will send you. It should be viewed. Okay, I have already done. I'll not click right now. I'll click at last minute. Okay, so now next one is nothing but module 2. Okay, so what we are supposed to do as a student, after completing the module 1, your job is to check for the modules only. Module 1, module 2, module 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, slowly you have to do. It takes half an hour time. So let me play one video which I'm showing the module 6 right now. How to finish this one. All of you observe carefully this particular video. All the students. New video is playing, all of you. Module 7. Anyone confirm me?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes. See, so you got the modules tab. You click on the modules tab. Step by step, each module you finish. So before doing the module, it will be entirely in this one blank. You cannot access this one. You see here, this is important. So I am about to finish the module 7, which is data sharing. Okay, computer data ones and zeros. See, before completing the module, it will show you as view. We are supposed to finish all these things. So click on that one. First, module 7 video will be opened. Okay, wait for the video. Module 7. Then next, go for the next. Immediately you can go next. No need to listen the video also completely. Take the quiz immediately. So quiz, if you are having time, you can study the question, give the answers. But for today, we are doing, you directly go for the submit quiz and press OK. Do exactly what's happening in the video. So module 7, it shows quiz is 0 points also. No need to worry. Go for the next. Okay, module 7, what we are supposed to learn. Go for the next. All the parts. So automatically it will update the module 7, 7.1 each lesson. So your job is to just play and come to the end point of the video and go for the next. So it is very difficult to do in a phone for one day, but this is the shortcut method because we have already automated all the students who are taking this particular course details to the Harvard University. Module 7, all the modules we have to finish. Every module has got different chapters. Here also wait for the video to open. Yes, go for the next option. So in your free time, you can listen their explanation, what exactly they are doing. Yes. You have to take this survey compulsory. Survey is our own views. Okay, therefore you can scroll down and concentrate on the submit quiz. Okay, go for that one. Okay. So first, in a safe mode, I want every student to get the certificate. Then you can access that free of cost, no issues once you are getting the certificate. So here also, module 7, each module takes time. Just turn on the video and then wait for the end point and then go for the next. Okay. So let us see module 7, how many chapters. Now you got the quiz, module 7 quiz. Okay, take the quiz. Taking the quiz means you are applying your own answers here. No need to apply right now because I am going to do for you. Right, submit quiz and keep okay. No need to take the quiz again. Don't follow that one because we are going to take. Right. So 0 out of 10 also, no need to worry. Go for the next and take the survey. Survey is your own ideas of the present condition with respect to this course. Go for the OK. Yes. Instructions and again go for the next. So while that's why I'm showing each part, one module we are taking here. So now after completion of the module discussion, if you are getting, go back to the module and check. Now you see everyone, this is important. Module 7 we have done just now. Now whether module 7 is finished or not, what is my verification? Now you see all of you. Module 7. Now everything is highlighted. That means it should be viewed, submitted, not in view. Okay. So now you can see module 7, all the chapters we have done. And then even the quiz also we have taken, module 7 and batch also. This is the proof. What is the proof that you have done this chapter or module? The proof is nothing but it should be viewed. Understood, all of you? Here it is view. That means I have to click on this one and I have to make sure that it is completed. Okay, I'll show you that later on. So module 7, before completing the module 7 and after completing. Now you see, I'm just clicking on that one. Wait for the badge. Okay. So every unit, they are giving the license for you people. So data sharing, this unit, automatically it will update whether you have done. Yes, we have ended the batch. 9 batches equal to 1 certificate here. This is the concept here according to the US rule. So module 8. Okay. So similarly, now let me share the exact site course modules. Every student, now you understood, no? So how to do this one? Module 1, only the option is nest and you have to check this one. So let me scroll to the new slide. Is the screen and the module. Now you see which module we have done currently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all you have to do. This is an international certificate. It counts a lot here. And that too, course. This is not one day certification. All of you see, module 7 we have done. Similarly, we have done with the module 8. So after completion of each module, you just go back and enter this modules tab. We have to work with this modules tab only. Okay. So then scroll down. Last module, which is the 9th module, 9th chapter. You should see that every module you're having viewed, submitted, forget about the points. It will update it automatically. You have to concentrate on this one only. All the modules have done or not, tick mark should be there. Then only if you have done with all modules, here there will be lock actually. That lock will be opened and you are able to click on this one. Course assessment survey. Survey, you have to give your own answers here. As I mentioned, leave that one, submit directly you can do. And course complete. Just a second. Course complete. Okay. So as I mentioned, just go with the next option. Okay. So again, see, congratulations, you are able to see all modules. If you are doing, it will show you you have done with all the 9 modules. Then again, go for the next. Let me check. Yes, on the screen it is visible. Go for the next. What is the final stage? After completion of all modules, again do the same concept. Go for the video. Okay, just turn on and go, come to the end point. If your data or if you are having less time, press on the next. Okay, so next we are placing here. Slowly, once you start performing by checking the video, it will be. See, all the courses are done now, right now, modules. They are giving the course completion badge. Okay, you can download, you can get to the mail also. Then final step is nothing but course completion certificate. Okay, course certificate. How to get the certificate? Now, there is the final stage here. Right. Yes, yes. Yeah, course complete. See, you will get one Google form. You are frying. Please mute yourself. Yeah. So what we are supposed to do right now. So let me play the. In what way you will get the certificate? Let me share this one. You have to complete all the modules. No need to fill any form. We'll do it automated manner. If you got the time, if you can do of your own, you can also do. You'll get the score, but it takes time. 1 week it takes. Okay. Now you see all of you. So please confirm me, anyone. New form certificate. How to get the certificate? They will ask you once you have done with all modules. If you click on the certificate module after module 9, you have to enter your details, correct details. You are able to see this form, all of you. One form we are filling up right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your name, correct name, and please enter today's date. That means today we are doing legally. Don't enter any date. Only today's date we have to enter. Give your correct email ID. Correct email ID. All of you, once you get the certificate, you please send to this mail only. Okay, please send to this mail. And one more thing, see, Omega Women's Degree Bodupal, CR only, you just message to this number. Okay, I'm just mentioning my number here. Just a second. In the chat box, because next we are targeting the Google company. Google certificate we are going to get from the Google. Okay, you can, because any class is there, I'll just send you along with the principal to you also. So you can WhatsApp to this number. Okay, right. Only the CRs of different colleges. Right. Okay, now just enter. So Mega Women's degree, anybody has joined Ramantapur campus? Okay, this is what the certificate. Once you have done, it will show you like this. Okay, so now let me go to the exact site. So now already I have given the details. So now what we have to do, I have to check the mail, whether we got the certificate or not. Okay, so let me open the mail. So all the students, check your mail again from Canvas network. From the Canvas network, you will get one mail. Congratulations on successfully completing best practice. I've done just 1 hour before. Okay. Right. So you can see Harvard. You can ask any of your friends or the people who are working in the industries. Harvard University, it's an international one. And what is our course? Successfully completed the biomedical research data management, which is the latest course initiated by this one. So these certificates are useful. So now this is not the certificate, this is a confirmation. So how to check this certificate, all of you? If you are using laptop or desktop, you will have primary, social, and promotions. Okay, so click on the promotions. If you are having smartphone, if you are doing from the smartphone, everything will be in the left side only. Okay, so concentrate on this person, this madam, Julie Goldman. Okay, all of you are able to see, no, this particular mail is important. In the promotions only, you are going to get the mail from this madam with your name, and then find the certificate. Right. Now I hope everyone are able to see the certificate on the screen. Okay. So certificate with your name and with the course and Harvard Medical School, you can go through the net. Okay. Is the person with today's net name, you are going to get with free of cost only for the today. Okay. So during this lockdown, we have to take it as an advantage to work with the international. Any question, anyone? You are able to see the certificate on the screen, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, do all the best, all of you. I'll share the video with the CR of the other colleges. Engineering, we already know. Okay, right. Any question, anyone? Omega degree also, those who have joined, you just message me with your name or email with your college name. When you are sending the certificate, please mention your college name. Okay, right. No question, I'm just ending the session. Right, thank you.